In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users in DocuSign. If you're managing a team or updating account access, this is an important task to know. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you feel confident navigating the platform. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the DocuSign website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click it, enter your email and password, and sign into your account. If you're using a shared computer, make sure you keep your login details secure and avoid saving passwords on public devices. After signing in, you'll land in the main DocuSign interface. From here, the section you need to access is the admin area because all user-related settings are found there. Open the main menu and click on admin to enter the dashboard. This area is designed to give you full control over account settings, permissions, and security tools. Inside the admin dashboard, look for the Users tab. This section displays a list of everyone who currently has access to your DocuSign account. You'll see each person's name, email address, and role. If you have a long list of team members, use the search bar to quickly find the person you want to remove. This saves time and reduces the chance of selecting the wrong user. Once you've located the correct user, look for the Actions option beside their name. Clicking on Actions will reveal several choices related to user management. Select Remove. DocuSign will show a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This step is important because removing a user immediately revokes their access to your account and any documents or workflows they were part of. Confirm the removal, and within a moment, the user will disappear from the list. You can continue updating other users or return to your admin dashboard to manage additional settings such as permissions, roles, or team structures. Regularly reviewing your user list is a good habit, especially if your team changes often or if you work with temporary collaborators. Removing unnecessary or inactive users helps keep your account organized and secure, ensuring that only authorized people have access to important documents and administrative tools. It also helps maintain compliance and reduces confusion when managing document ownership or workflow visibility. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a user from DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to get even more out of your DocuSign experience.